Hello, very good day to you. You may have heard that there is some disruptive snow in the forecast. Yes, we do have some of that to come as we go through tonight and into tomorrow, because there is cold Arctic air across many parts of the UK at the moment, and there's a weather system that's going to bash into that cold air, bringing some disruptive snow. But worth bearing in mind, actually, at the moment, there's something a bit milder towards the southwest with temperatures a little bit above average. But it's as this frontal system pushes across into that cold air, we will see some hazards in the form of wintriness. That then clears away, and then as we go towards the middle part of the week, much of the UK will be under that cold Arctic air, so a real chilly feel to things for many of us. Temperatures well below average for the time of year. Back to the here and now though, and actually as we go through this afternoon across many northern and eastern parts, a good deal of dry, sunny weather to be had, but across the far north of Scotland, some wintry showers, some sleet or snow showers pushing their way in. Towards the south and west, a cloudier story and a wetter story. Most of the wet weather though will just be rain for the time being, though some sleet or snow perhaps over the higher ground of Northern Ireland as we go towards the end of the afternoon. A real contrast in temperatures as we go through today. Towards the north and perhaps the northeast, temperatures really suppressed. Low single figures, only just about getting above freezing for some places here. Towards the southwest though, like I said, it's fairly mild for the time of year, highs around 13 or 14 Celsius, so feeling pretty mild despite the fact that there will be some cloudy wet weather around. As we go through this evening and overnight, and it's now that we start to see the disruptive snow developing across Northern Ireland, but particularly northern England, we are likely to see some fairly significant snow. We could see perhaps up to 20 centimetres above 200 to 300 metres, even perhaps to some lower levels we could see a few centimetres of snow accumulating as we go through the night, and so that is likely to cause some problems, particularly on the roads if you're heading out early through tomorrow morning. Also some wintry showers continuing across parts of northern Scotland, so further disruption likely here. In between these two zones, across other parts of Scotland, we have some clear skies, harsh frost quite likely. Temperatures last night did drop to the lowest that we've seen so far this season, in fact the lowest since last winter, and it's possible it could be even colder tonight, perhaps -8, maybe a little bit colder than that, so very harsh frost for some. Different story though towards the south, much milder here, some places perhaps staying in double figures. As we go through tomorrow then, a cold wintry start for some of us, milder, cloudier, wetter towards the south, but a lot of that wet and wintry weather does actually then clear away towards the east, and so things will turn drier and perhaps brighter for many of us. That being said, still quite a few showers coming in across northern parts of Scotland, and there will be some outbreaks of rain towards the southwest of the UK as well, but many places, yes, turning dry, and there will be some sunshine around. Despite that though, there is going to be a real chilly feel to things, although it may be a bit mild to start in the south. Temperatures actually dropping as we go through the day, and so for many temperatures are going to be several degrees below average for the time of year, and with some brisk winds coming in from the north. Worth bearing in mind that the feels like temperatures are going to be several degrees lower. For some places it is going to feel several degrees below freezing, so a real raw day. You'll definitely want to wrap up if you are heading out for any long periods of time. Looking further ahead, and the cold theme continues, and with that and the flow coming from the north, some further wintry showers are quite likely, some further sleet or snow in places exposed to that northerly wind. There is also the potential for some more organised rain, sleet and snow to push through, possibly affecting parts of the southwest as we go through later Thursday and into Friday. And then by the time we get to the weekend, watch out, as we could have a deep area of low pressure which could bring some very unsettled weather for a time. But if you want more information about what we can expect through the rest of this week, do look out for our week ahead forecast with Alex Deacon, which will be available on both our YouTube channel and also our app later on this afternoon. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.